In this video, we'll discuss about a structure of insulin. What is structure of insulin? First, we want to know what is that insulin. Insulin is a protein hormone secreted by beta cell of islet of Langerhans of pancreas. So, secreted by beta cell of islet of Langerhans. Insulin is a heterodynamic protein. It is composed of two polypeptide chain A and B. It containing total 51 amino acid. A chain having 21, B chain having 30, total 51 amino acid. N chain N terminal having glycine, C terminal having aspirin. So A chain, this one is the A chain, this one is the B chain. A chain, this N terminal having glycine, this C terminal having aspirin. Then B chain, N terminal having phenylalanine, and C terminal having amino acid threonine. So threonine. So A chain 21 amino acid, N terminal glycine, C terminal aspirin. B chain 30 amino acid, N terminal phenylalanine, C terminal threonine. Both these chain are held together by disulfide bond. So these both chain joined together with the help of disulfide bond. First disulfide linkage. Okay, so first disulfide linkage is presented between 7th amino acid of A chain and B chain. So here 7th amino acid, here also 7th amino acid. A chain and B chain, both between that 7th amino acid. So second disulfide bond between 20th amino acid of A chain and 19th amino acid of B chain. So here 20th amino acid of A chain, 19th amino acid of B chain. These two disulfide linkage is known as this one A chain and B chain disulfide linkage name is called as interchange disulfide linkage. So interchain disulfide linkage. Another one intra-chain disulfide linkage is present. Intra-chain disulfide linkage present between 6th and 11th amino acid of A chain. So here A chain, 6th and 11th chain of that amino acid, 6th amino acid and 11th amino acid of A chain. It is presented between 6th and 11th. So this one intra. A chain and B chain means inter. This one within A chain means intra chain. So intra-chain linkage between 6th and 11th amino acid of A chain. Next, what is the importance of disulfide bond? Breaking of disulfide bond with alkali or reducing agent inactivate insulins. That is the importance of disulfide bond. So what is the things? Breakage of disulfide bond with alkali or reducing agent inactivate insulin. That is the importance of disulfide bond. And digestion of insulin protein with the proteolytic enzyme also inactivate. So digestion of insulin protein with the proteolytic enzyme also inactivate insulin. That is why insulin cannot be given orally. So this is all about structure of insulin. In this video, discussed the structure of insulin. It is a protein hormone secreted by beta cell of Langerhans, 51 amino acid, A chain 21, B chain having 30 amino acid. Interchain linkage, intra-chain linkage. Interchain means between A and B. Intra means A chain 6th and 11th amino acid. Then importance of disulfide linkage. Breaking of disulfide with alkali and reducing agent inactivate insulin. digestion of insulin protein with a proteolytic enzyme. So that's why insulin cannot be given orally. Thanks for watching.